Good afternoon, reporters. I am Caleb Espino, the reporter of Club Create. Today I'm in the field with Miss Wagner. Hi, I'm Caleb. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Miss Wagner.
Miss Wagner. So, what classes did you teach in Central Campus?
At Central, I teach baking, meals, and child development.
Nice. So, how long did you work in OTH at?
This is my 7th year here at Lockport.
So, what's your favorite bake and food did you like in class?
In our baking class, I would say like cinnamon rolls. Those always turn out really good. Our angel food cake is normally a fan favorite too. Those are our top two.
All right. So, what is the cupcake war?
Oh, okay. So Cupcake Wars is our final exam. So we take a written final and then we do a baking final. So the kids each get to pick their own recipe. They get to invite a judge. So it could be a staff member. It could be Officer Cam gets chosen all the time. And then they compete. The teachers come down, they sample each one, and then they vote for best taste and then vote best aesthetic.
Oh, nice. So, about the child development, so what is that?
So for child development, that's the class where the kids take the babies home. So if you guys have ever seen car seats and like they look like robot babies, but they really are. We learn about families, parenting styles. We talk about infants, toddlers, conception, all that fun stuff.
All right. So, what made you interested in child development?
Oh, well, I did get my master's degree in early childhood education. So being a high school teacher, I kind of wanted to study little kids and kind of, just see the difference. So that really got me interested in child development.
Oh, okay. Well, it's nice with you, Miss Wagner.
It was so nice speaking to you too.
Yeah.
Thank you, Caleb.
You're welcome. So that's all the edition of the Care Report. We see you next time, co-reporter.